Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Dia and I appreciate you stopping by. So today's video is a little bit different. I am not doing a planner video or a vlog, but because I started vlogging, it made me very aware of this wall behind me. I hate editing my vlogs and seeing this wall. So if you've seen any of those past videos, you know that this wall has been pretty bland lately. Just to give you a little bit of backstory for those of you that don't know me, we live in a 2-bedroom apartment in San Diego, and last year my daughter, who was the baby, left to college, and we decided to turn her bedroom into our home office, especially because I think her bedroom was actually bigger than ours. So she wasn't too happy about it, but we needed the space and we decided to make it our office. So this wall behind me has been many things. For a while, we had our bikes hanging over on this wall. This wall over here is a space where we had a desk and a computer, and one of our photographers worked back there. And then I decided to hang our backdrops on the wall on a backdrop system for a while, and then I started vlogging and I just saw that plain wall back there all the time, and it was quite useless because I wasn't using the backdrops anymore. So I just decided to go ahead and make it look a little prettier and turn it into a space that I could use. So of course, my first stop was IKEA. They had some shelves that I've been wanting to purchase for a long time because I have some stools in the same wood material in a couple of places in my apartment, and I really wanted to get these shelves that are made out of the same wood. So that was my inspiration for this whole setup. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some behind the scenes of my husband and I patching up the wall, hanging the shelves and pictures and everything. We do live in an apartment, like I said, so we didn't want to do anything that was gonna cause too much damage to the wall. If I had my way, I would have painted these walls a really light gray, but we are in an apartment and we probably don't plan on staying here for more than a year, so I didn't want to have to paint it back before we left. So I just left it the white wall that it is. You can see that my dogs love the new space too. Okay, enough blabbing. I'm gonna go ahead and run the behind the scenes, and of course, everything will also be linked down below.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress stressing out, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, midway.
Not good enough.
Stressing out, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Okay guys, so here is the final result and I absolutely love it. We're going to go ahead and start over here on the left with this mirror that I have had sitting on the floor forever and we finally hung it. And then I have this little family picture collage that I swiped out of the living room because it was actually too small for the area it was in. I pulled these two IKEA items out of the closet because they fit perfectly in this space. I will have to admit that I'm quite proud of the way I hung these pictures. I didn't record it because I had had a glass of wine and I think I did a pretty good job. And then we have these gorgeous shelves that I got from IKEA and this tiny little sofa that I found on Amazon. And when I say tiny, it really is. I'm 4'11" and it fits me perfectly. I'll leave a link for these shelves down below, and I will have to say they were super easy to hang and they feel really sturdy on the wall. We just went ahead and decorated them with a couple of things that we had laying around the house, like this AT-AT, I don't know what it's called. I just displayed my microphone, one of my favorite books, and of course my children on this side. And on the left side, I have a plant, and I plan on putting a picture there too. This little guy was actually a popcorn holder that we got while we were at Disneyland, but my husband loves him. I have a couple more of my favorite books in the middle, and then over on the left-hand side, we have one of my husband's film cameras, a little fake plant, and my daughter. And of course, my dogs have already made themselves at home on the couch and under. Besides sharing this space with them, I love to use it to read and to get some work done and just be able to step away from my desk for a little while. And of course, it makes a gorgeous background, at least more beautiful than the plain wall background when I'm recording my videos. And my dogs get to hang out here now whenever we're working, so of course they like that too. I hope you enjoyed that little tour of my home office or YouTube background wall. I hope at least a few of you found some inspiration for your own home office or YouTube studio background. And as always, I will leave the links to everything that I can find down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.